Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about implementation station. This implementation station is part of API, which is assessment, planning, implementation and evaluation. You will have a same patient for this all four station. In this station, you will be administer only oral drug for the patient. You should verbalize every single action, and I will show you how is it. One more important point, you should have some knowledge about commonly usage oral drugs, and also you need to know side effect, contraindication and actions. Okay, let's start the procedure. You will be provided with these sheets of patient information and prescription, which are commonly used in hospitals. You should read the scenario first. As Potter was admitted to the surgical assessment unit after presenting with an infected abdominal wound, mild pain and constipation following an uncomplicated laparoscopic hemicolectomy to remove a small primary colorectal cancer. Please administer and complete the documentation of their 12 hours medication in a safe and professional manner. Keep in mind, talk to the person. Please verbalize what you are doing and write to the examiner. Read out the chart and explain what you are checking, giving, not giving and why. Provide an explanation to the person of what each drug being administered is for, and highlight any specific information regarding instruction for administration, including any possible contraindication and relevant medical information. Complete all the required drug administration check. Complete the documentation and use the correct codes. The correct codes for non-administration are on the chart. Check and complete the last page of the chart. You have only 15 minutes to complete this station, including all the required documentation. Complete all sections of the documents. Assume it is today and it is 12 hours. So this is our scenario. But my advice is, on your exam day, you don't need to read this section because it's all same for every section. Just read the patient name, what the reason of the admission, and this time, what they are given. After reading the scenario, perform hand hygiene. Then ask the examiner if PPE is required. If yes, do the appropriate PPE and approach the patient. Hello, good morning. My name is Sarah. I'm one of the nurses today. How are you feeling? I'm here to give you medication. Is that alright with you? Would it be alright? Can I touch your wristband? Could you please tell me your full name and your date of birth? Hospital number is 0004321. Are you allergic to food, medication or latex? Oh, what kind of allergic reaction you get from that? Oh, rashes. Okay. Aside from your wristband and your documentation on this chart also state that you are allergic to penicillin with an allergic reaction of rashes. Okay Potter, I'm not gonna give you any medication that contain penicillin. Are you comfortable at the moment? Do you have any pain? Where is the location of the pain? Oh, so sorry. Could you please score 0 to 10, 0 being no pain, 10 being no worst pain? Oh, anyway, I'm going to prepare the medication. Do you want some pain relief? Okay, I will prepare it. Let me just check your prescription. If not, I will ask the doctor to prescribe. Alright, Potter, I have to go and prepare your medication. In meanwhile time, if you need me anything else, just press this call button. Alright? Okay, I'm just going to remove my gloves and apron. Gel my hands. This medication is for Potter as date of birth 1/1/1950. Address Sweet Street Hostel, Westshire, WW6 5PQ. Hospital number is 0004321. Ward Surgical Assessment Unit. Date of admission today. Time of admission 10. Patient height is 1.57 meter. Weight is 74 kg. Body mass index is 25.6 meters squared. The consultant name is Dr. A. Richards. Here is the prescriber's name, Dr. P. Wright, and GMC NMC number is 3214213. Signature is there and bleep number is 642. Here is the detail of person administering medication. Alert, allergic sensitivities, adverse reaction. Patient is allergic to penicillin and reaction is rashes. Information of the patient is correct and complete as first page. Here is the code. I'm moving to once only medicine. pre-medicines, antibiotic prophylactics, and patient group directions. There is no medication here. Moving to the next page. The information of the patient is correct and complete as first page. Scribed oxygen. Miss Examiner, what is the patient's saturation? 98. Okay, I'm not going to do anything else to the patient now. Moving to the next page. The information of the patient correct and complete as first page. Antimicrobials. First drug is flucloxacillin. Date is today. Dose is 500 mg. Frequency is QD. Route is oral. Duration 7 days. Started today. Finished is 6 days. Here is the prescriber's signature and bleep number is 642. Here is the printed name, Dr. P. Wright. Now 12 o'clock. Miss Examiner, I'm not going to prepare this medication because my patient is allergic to penicillin. There is no more drugs in this page. Moving to the next page. The information of the patient is correct and complete as first page. Regular medicines. First drug is Ramipril. Date is today. Dose is 5 mg. Frequency OD. Route is oral. Duration 7 days. Start is today. Finish day 6 days. Here is the prescriber's signature and bleep number and printed name is Dr. P. Wright. This medication is already due, so I'm not going to prepare this medication. Here's the next medication, doxate sodium. Date is today. Dose is 100 mg. Frequently TD. Route is oral. Duration 7 days. Start date today. Finish day 6 days. Here is the prescriber's signature and bleep number and printed name is here Dr. P. Wright. Time is 12. I'm going to prepare this medication. Doxate sodium 100 mg. Doxate sodium 100 mg. So I'm going to prepare 1 tablet. Next drug is timolol malate 0.5% eye drop. Date is today. Dose is 1 drop in each eye. Frequently BD. Root eye. Duration 7 days. Start is today. Finish day 6 days. Here is the prescriber's signature and bleep number and the print name is Dr. P. Wright. Time is 6:18. This is not my time. I'm going to proceed now to the next medication. The information of the patient is correct and complete as first page. As required medicine, drug is paracetamol. Date is today. Dose is 1 gram. Frequently 4 to 6 hourly. Route is orally. Started today. Here is the prescriber's signature and bleep number 642. Here is the print number Dr. P. Wright. While the assessment patient complained pain, so I'm going to prepare this medication. Paracetamol 1 gram 4 to 6 hourly. Paracetamol 500 mg. Expiration date is 7/2026. Let me compare with the prescription sheet. Okay, let me get 2 tablets. Moving to the infusion, there is no more medication. I'm going to proceed now to the next page. The information of the patient is correct and complete as first page. There is no more medication. So now I got the medication, so I'm ready to go to the patient. Hi Potter, I'm here with your medication. Can I just ask you first, are you able to swallow? Would it be alright, can I check your ID again? Could you please tell me your full name, date of birth, and your address? Your hospital number is 0004321. Do you have any allergy? What kind of allergy reaction do you get from that? Okay, the same, alright. So I'm not gonna give any penicillin diabetes, okay? Potter, here I got your medication. Let me quickly check the prescription sheet. Potter, you're supposed to have medication called flucloxacillin, but since you are allergic to penicillin, I'm gonna ask the doctor to check this one and re-prescribe a new one. And your next drug is doxate sodium. It's your constipation relief. Here you are. Have some water. Have you swallowed? This drug can cause stomach crumples, diarrhea, or sometimes feeling vomiting. If you feel anything else, just let me know. And also try to drink plenty of water. And your next drug is paracetamol, which is pain relief. The doctor has ordered 1 gram paracetamol. So I got here 2 tablets of 500 mg paracetamol. Here you are. Have some water. Have you swallowed? Are you alright? Are you comfortable at the moment? Potter, would it be alright? Can I just document what medication I gave you? Dispose the medication tray and the gloves and apron. Okay, just going to gel my hand and let it dry for 30 seconds. Let's see documentation. First, write your handwritten name. Second page, see again full name. Next page, nothing. Next page, nothing. In this page, we have a omitted medication, which is flucloxacillin. Here we have to go for the code. Have a look. In your second page, there's a code. If the patient has an allergy, so in here, we have to go for the other, so which is 10. So in here, we have to put code 10 and don't forget to put the signature. Move to next page. Here, dosage sodium. Did I give this medication? Yes, I did, so I have to put the signature on here. Next page, paracetamol. So I have to put the time and signature. Move to the last page. We have to put here the dose medication that we have omitted. So what was the first one? Flucloxacillin. I will show you how we can write here. We have to put the today date and the time, which is they are given, and the drug name, dosage, route, instruction not applicable, reason, patient is allergic to penicillin, and your signature. That's it. Once we finish our documentation, gel your hand and go to the patient. Porter, I have just finished my documentation. Are you comfortable here? Do you have any concern? I have to go now. If you need me anything else, just press this call button. That's it. This is our implementation station. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Good luck. Thank you.